In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process to start a YouTube channel using your mobile phone, because I know that not all of us have access to computer or gadgets like cameras. So let me walk you through step-by-step process and everything you need to know to pick your YouTube channel from the ground and upload your first video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel in case you're new here, because I make 2 videos a week. And also, I would love for you to join me for my next video. The first step is you need to decide on what your channel is going to be about. Like, this is like your niche. And you don't really need a phone to do that, but you may want to look around for your favorite YouTube channels and see what is best for you, what can you focus on, and what can you do best for your channel. Then once you have done that, you're ready for our next step. Now, our step 2 is about brainstorming video ideas. Before you create a YouTube channel, you need to go with a plan, like how you're going to do it. Now for this, I recommend that you first brainstorm like 100 video ideas about a niche or what you think you can do best for your YouTube channel. This is very important because when you brainstorm 100 video ideas, that's when you're going to come up with a very nice topics that you can make videos about and get views and subscribers. So I recommend you doing this before even creating your YouTube channel, because if you create your YouTube channel and then you just make your first video, your second video, when you're really not sure or when you don't really have a plan, you might experience a burnout. A burnout is like a situation when you just feel like you lack content, you don't know what to put next, you don't know what to film next, and you also don't know what your audience will be liking or stuff like that, and you don't know what is going to be ranging in search, you don't know what will get recommended. But if you have already 100 video ideas, I'm sure you're going to make very good choices about what videos are maybe trending at the moment, or what are the best video. Like, you're going to make that nice choice for yourself and for the channel. So step 3, you're going to move on and pick your best and favorite video ideas from those ones, from the 100 that you have made. Because one of the reasons why most channels have a burnout is because they start their YouTube channel, like they post 1, 2, 3 videos, then after that they don't know what else to do, they don't have a clear plan. But if you have your favorite video ideas and you mark them in the calendar, that means when that time reaches, you're going to just pick whatever video ideas that you already made and you just film it, and that will make your life very easy and make your filming extremely really easy, and it will also make you be consistent. So in this step, I recommend you putting like your video ideas, like your favorite video ideas, for at least 2 months, like where you're going to be just picking, filming, like for at least 2 months. So that way you'll be able to find the encouragement, because the more video you make, the more you get recommended, the more you get discovered, and that will encourage you to keep moving. Now once you're done with all this, now you need to create your channel. All you need to do now is get on your phone, then click on YouTube app, and you're going to tap here in the corner and you're going to sign in. And you don't need to sign in if you already have account. If you're creating a new account, create account. Then that is going to bring you to this page, and you're going to enter your name and your account will be created, and you'll get to customize your account with something you're interested in. So here you already have your YouTube account. So once you already have a video to upload, then you can start to upload a video from here. And all you got to do is to tap on the camera right here, and you will be taken to a screen where you can upload your videos. Here you have 2 options. You can either record a video or go live, or you can just choose a video that you already have in your phone. After that, tap on video you wanna upload, and then you are ready to upload your videos. Then you can choose to edit a little bit, either cut it from behind or in the middle or last. Then you can give a title to your video, then give it a description, some tags. Then you can decide if you want to make it public or private. Like, public is when you want other people to watch your videos on YouTube, then private is when you are the only one to see it. And if you would like for other people to know your location, you can also add location. Now your video is uploading and processing. Now if you're uploading, the internet speed determines the time it will take to upload. After creating your channel, at this point now you want to set your channel up. Now by using channel description, this is like you telling people all about your channel, like what your channel is about and what you're going to do for them, why they should subscribe to your channel. And then also creating a channel banner. Now there are 3 apps that you can use to help you create your channel banner. These apps are free and you can use them for making your thumbnail and channel banner. So the first one is CANVA. CANVA, you can download it and you use it. And then Snapseed, also that one works. And then the last one, it is PicMonkey. After creating your channel banner and setting up the entire channel, making your profile pic, nowadays we are lucky there are some apps that you can use now to edit your video using a mobile phone. So I recommend for you these 2. The first one I recommend is KineMaster. You can actually try the free version where you just download it in your phone and you use it for editing your videos. But the free one, sometimes leave your videos with watermark. So if you have maybe some other, like if you can upgrade it and then you remove away that watermark from your videos, that option is also there. But as a beginner, you can also start with a free one. And also they first, like when you have just downloaded it, they first give you a free trial for a month. Then the second one is Adobe Premiere Rush. This one works just like Adobe Premiere Pro, where you use it on the desktop. But for this one, you download it on your phone. Though the only problem with it, it is a bit expensive. You will need to pay something like $10 for you to get it, like every single month, $10. But it is really helpful and it works really well. So now after reaching this far, you need to make sure that your titles are accurate, your description are there, your tags are reflecting what is in the title, in order for you to get your video recommended by YouTube to other people. That way you'll be discovered by some other new people, and also you'll get to build a community, you'll get to grow. Secondly, you need to make sure that your videos are as interesting as possible, because one of the things that YouTube really care about is to make people watch for long. Like watch time is the most important thing. So if you can retain people in your video like for a longer time, it is even better for your channel, because that way you find that YouTube is going to recommend your videos and your videos are going to excel. You're going to get more subscribers and more watch time, because every time your videos is pushed out to people, new people discovers you and they also get to subscribe to your channel. And you also need to create a very eye-catching thumbnail, because thumbnails goes hand in hand with your title, and sometimes people just come to your videos because of the thumbnail you have put. In case you don't know how to make eye-catching thumbnail, I'm going to link for you right here, because I've already made a video about that and it is very customized and easier to make. In case you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And also, in case you want to know free tricks and tips to grow your YouTube channel fast, just click on the playlist right here. See you there. Love you so much.